Since the day I came here, I told them, guys, the world is changing. It's not only the server world, it's the AI world. And they need the tools. They need the tools. And I believe that Leo is an essential tool that helps them meet those requirements and meet the needs of this fast-moving market.
Leo is not ChatGPT or Gemini. It is designed specifically for mechanical engineers, and therefore the information that we have there is quality information.
We need to understand it, accept it, and use the tools that we get in order to be better and to stay better.
And onboarding a lot of engineers in very short time. Some engineers obviously leave, some new join. Well, there's a lot of knowledge transfer. When you have all the information in Leo, it's very easy to access. Instead of months, it can take days.
First of all, innovation. I do expect AI to bring more innovation. And the second thing is time to market. Don't waste time on like nitty-gritty, pipe routing and the screw choosing.
The whole experience with implementing Leo was very short. I think in total, if I count 2 or 3 hours.
And then I get to know Leo. So I give him, okay, Leo, this is the parameters, this is the requirements, this is the material, this is the cooling liquid that's going through, and this is the pressure the vapors going to get out. Give me, or you can give me about velocities, about speeds, about fixation. And I got the results from Leo, and I look at what I did after weeks of calculations and simulation, and I got the result from Leo, and I was like, oh, that's the same. It's very good. Before I'm going to, I don't know, like $100,000 purchase, I have a double check from Leo.
And the last one is quality, because the AI tools will monitor quality and will catch those bugs and the problematic details.
Credit and liability, like everything is counting on you. Your product is working fine, and people say, okay, it's ZutaCore product, it's working fine. And if it's not, so your name is under risk.
It's not to replace the engineer, it's just to support the engineer and to have the engineer to do more engineering work and not bureaucracy, let's say. They love it.
In 3 words, it's time, money, reputation.